All right, so how many non-congruent triangles with only integer side lengths have a perimeter of 15 units? All right, well, we know that in a triangle, the lengths of any two sides must add up to a value larger than the third side. Otherwise, you can't have a triangle, right? And so we need to make an organized list, right? So the easiest way to do it is let's start with the smallest possible side length. So if we have a side length of 1, that means the other two side lengths have to equal 14, right? So we could have 7 and 7. So going back to that rule, I'm going to restate it. The lengths of any two sides must add up to a value greater than the third side. So 2 plus 7 is bigger than 7. Sorry, 1 plus 7 is bigger than 7. 7 plus 7 is bigger than 1. That works. What about 1, let's go 8, and let's go 6. So any two side lengths have to be greater than the third. 1 plus 9 is greater than 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. That's not greater than 8. So we know that one doesn't work, right? So we're just going to make this list and guess and check. So 177 is the only one that would work with 1, side length of 1. Let's try 2. Well, 2, so that means the remaining is 13, and the closest we can get to having two of the same number would be 6 and 7. 8, that works. So really I need to worry about adding the two smallest together, and it should be greater than that. So let's see, could I have another one, right? So I could have 5 and 8. 5 plus 2. Nope. That doesn't work. We can't do it. Because 5 plus 2 is not bigger than 8. Let's see if we have a, let me go 3. So 15 minus 3 is 12. So we have 6 plus 6. Obviously 3 plus 6 is bigger than 6. How about 3 plus 5 plus, I'm just make this one more bigger, so 7. So 3 plus 5 is bigger than 8, or it's 8, so it's bigger than 7. So that's great. And I know if I go one less, 3 plus 4 is going to be, it's just not going to work. So let's say if our shortest side is 4. I'm going to start going faster. So 4, so it's 11, so we have 6 and 5. 9 is bigger than 6. That's good. So let's make that go 1 down here plus 1 up here. So 8 is bigger than 7, and that's about as far as I'm going to go. For the last one, 5 plus 5 plus 5. So I can't do anything else with that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 congruent triangles. Oh, let's just do the next one really quickly. See if Anya gets mad at that I'm picking her up late. Isosceles triangle XYZ shown here has a height of, just as C, and XY, so that means this is 85 as well. What is the length of segment XZ? All right, well, this is an isosceles triangle. This does not say that that is a right angle, or that's, yeah, we don't know if that's a right angle, but we know this is a right angle, and so I know that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And so I have 68 squared plus b squared is equal to 85 squared, which means, put my calculator, 68 squared plus b squared is equal to 85 squared. So I'm going to subtract 6. So b squared is equal to 2601 square root, and that's equal to 51. Who knew? If this is 51 and this is 51, therefore the whole side length has to be, drum roll please, 102.